We have Guy Weinberg, the founder and CEO of First Mountain Farms, a New Jersey-based cannabis tech incubator with a national distribution arm with strong ties to the Israeli tech scene. Guy has 17 years of experience in life science, 7 as the founder of an Israeli med tech company, and many years of leadership positions in medical device and digital health companies.
Thank you. Probably the only Israeli in the room, if I counted the company. The two of us. Hi everybody. Thanks for having us. And we started First Mountain Farms, me and my partner Amos, who is here, about a year ago. And Amos and I met in an incubator in Israel, a technological incubator 10 years ago, and it was always our dream to help Israeli companies to come to make business in the US market. And as Sarah mentioned, I was a CEO of my company. I came here 5 years ago, based in New Jersey, and I started working on First Mountain Farms about a year ago, and we just started because we, as an organization or as a company, that will help Israeli companies to do business in the US. And we are now operating a cannabis tech incubator in New Jersey. We got 5 companies in that, hopefully 6 after a good meeting we had this afternoon. Yeah, it worked fast. And a lot of the folks in First Mountain Farms are either Israeli or Israeli American, or Israelis living in America, like myself. And we also have very strong ties with the Israeli ecosystem. So I'm a life science person. I spent 17 years in life science, in pharma, in medtech, in digital health, and was always frustrating, like how long it takes from the time you get an idea until the time that you get into the market, and you need to do the clinical studies and the FDA and the reimbursement and all of that. And I think that with cannabis, you can do things faster. That's one of the things that keeps us excited. And as an entrepreneur, it was always my biggest challenge, how to get into the US market, how to raise money, how to find the right business partners and strategic partners, how to find the right manufacturing partners. You come from outside of the US, you don't have a lot of network, a lot of contacts. And now with First Mountain Farms, we're trying to mitigate it and help Israeli entrepreneurs approach the US market. We are doing that through our incubator, where we co-found together with Israeli entrepreneurs various startups in various areas. And we are doing that through our distribution network. And we started our distribution network because we wanted to help our companies to be able to sell their products in the US. And again, as an Israeli, the US was always a single market. And in cannabis, it's different. Suddenly you have like 50 different markets. Each one of them is different regulations, different customers, different whatever. And you cannot ship products across the state line if it says THC. It's mind-blowing. It's like too complicated. And we try to virtualize it, to make it holistic and simple, and make the US market very homogenic to the Israeli companies and the non-Israeli companies that we are working with. And we started, as I said, this distribution network because we wanted to help our companies, and then we ended up getting calls from companies in the US and also Israelis telling us, hey, we heard about you guys, now help us sell the product. We got a great product, a great technology. We got this tincture, we got this topical, we got this Dead Sea cream, we got this amazing IoT sensor, whatever. How can I sell it in the US? And that's what we are doing. We are incubating technologies from Israel in our incubator. We are making a product out of the technology, and we are making a commercial product out of the product using our distribution network and our partners. Some of them are in this room. We met. And yeah, so similar to ICA, we also try to bridge between the two countries and the two ecosystems. I believe that we are taking a more practical and pragmatic approach. We just try to get products that are closer to the market, and if they are not, we're happy to help them, but we are looking for things that are mature enough or with a time to market which is short enough that can help us, that can allow us to help these companies. So that's what we do. Pleasure to be here.
Guy, if you just want to stay up here, I'm going to invite
Sure.
Sid back up as well and invite the rest of our panelists.